He wants to keep the patina on the outside, but we do want to protect the bed.
Well, ain't nobody got time for rust all over your gear and your stuff. Like, yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of, functional in the bed, because he's hauling, he's towing, he's moving stuff around, but it's gonna look cool and hip and old school and vintage on the outside.
Right, and for that, we lean on Herculiner. Now, Herculiner we've used on all kinds of stuff. Now, obviously, we're using it on a truck bed now, but you don't have to use it on a truck bed. You can use this stuff anywhere you need a little traction and a lot of protection. So from trailer floors, that's always good.
Yeah.
I actually have it on a wooden deck for a step because it gets slick. But you could, apply that any place you need traction and protection.
Yeah, I mean, it's texturized, it's got a rubberized formula to it. So, man, it's perfect for a lot of those situations. The prep is pretty simple, right? We did some scuffing, then we did basically some tack cleaning. So the surface is clean, it's got a little bit of porousness to it from the sandpaper, and then, roll it.
Now, obviously, we just want to show you what it looks like on the tailgate here. We'll do the bed a little bit later, but it's really easy to apply. It comes with everything you need. It sets in 1 to 4 hours, cures to that deep black color in 10 to 12, and the kit covers a 6-foot truck bed, includes roller frame and 2 foam rollers. Looks great too, man. A lot of texture, a lot of protection there.